this day in history, on 1st of July 1991, the Warsaw Pact was dissolved. The Warsaw Pact, formerly called the Warsaw Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Mutual Assistance, was a military alliance which came into effect on 14th of May 1955. It was a mutual defense organization that was composed of Soviet Union and 7 other nations of Eastern Europe, namely Albania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Hungary, Poland and Romania. The main aim of the pact was to give unified military command to the Warsaw countries under the leadership of USSR. It was established as a balance of power in order to counter NATO, which was a military alliance between 30 North American and European countries under the leadership of USA. However, on 1st July 1991, the Warsaw Pact was finally dissolved. Albania was expelled from Warsaw as early as 1962 as it turned to Communist China for aid and trade. In 1990, East Germany left the pact and reunited with West Germany to join NATO. Moreover, the rise of popular civil and political discontent, which led to the overthrow of communist governments in other Eastern Bloc nations like Poland, Czechoslovakia, etc., in 1990 and 1991, led to the dissolution of Warsaw Treaty. The end of Warsaw Pact marked a significant event in history as it symbolized the decline of communist dominance in Europe. A sign of communist power, potential military threat, and a powerful opponent to American capitalism, its collapse symbolized the end of a bipolar world and the beginning of a unipolar world under the hegemony and dominance of USA.